Okay, now we talk about simplify. Simplify.
SIMPLIFY, alright? Simplify.
We simplify the surds. Simplify the surds, we still follow surds rule. Square root x times y equals, you can separate square root x times square root y. Square root x over y equals square root x over square root y, right? Okay, so like A, square root 32, how do we do this one? Okay, 32, we can make it become square root 16 times 2, right? So 16 times 2, we can separate, become square root 16 times square root 2, right? So become what? Square root 16 become 4. 4 times square root 2, just write down in 4 square root 2. Okay? Please be note, 4 square root 2 don't write down like this, okay? This one it means square root of symbols is 4. This one it means 2 power 1 over 4, okay? It doesn't mean 4 times square root 2. This 2 is different. The 4 you need to write bigger, the same size with the 2, okay? 3 times square root 300, so equal to, I write down these equations outside. 3 times square root, okay, 200, okay. So equal to what? 3 times square root 100 times 2, okay? So equal to 3 times square root 100 times square root 2, separate. So become what? Square root 100 become 10, so 3 times 10 times square root 2, so become 30 square root 2, okay? This one, can we separate? Divide square root of 200 over 9, so become what? Square root 200 over square root 9 equal to square root 100 times 2, right? And bottom becomes 3. So becomes square root 100 times square root 2 over 3. So equal to 10 square root 2 over 3. Okay? Okay. D, 7 times square root 40 over 2. So this one equal to what? Equal to square root 7 times square root 4 times 10, over 2. So equal to 7 times square root 4 times square root 10 over 2. So equal to 7 times 2 times square root 10 over 2. 2 can cancel, answer becomes 7 square root 10. Okay? Is square root 10 no surds? Use calculator check. Yeah, it should be, right? Okay, another example is express the surds as a square root of a positive integer. So 3 times square root 5, how do we do it? Can we just, this one equals to 3 times square root 5, right? So can we just become square root 3 square, right? So become 9 times square root 5. So becomes square root 45. You combine. So you get 2, you can go back to get a square root xy, right? Here is the same. 2 times square root 3, so equal to 2 can become square root 4, right? And times square root 3. So becomes square root combine 12. 7 times square root 2 equal to 7 times square root 2 equals square root 49, right? 7 equals square root 49 times square root 2. So equals square root 98. Okay? Let's simplify the surds.